I'm here to talk to you about Daryl Bass and Bass International Software. What I'd like to say is that Daryl came to HCDC back in around November of 2014. At that time, he worked with Pat Longo, our director, and Pat helped him with a number of key issues. One was his relationship with Microsoft, and also he stressed the importance of establishing good IP. Daryl has done a very good job of that as a result. More recently, I've gone on several sales calls with Daryl, and I've learned a lot about Daryl in the process. I learned, number one, that he likes pizza, and he likes pizza with a lot of meat on it. But more importantly, what I learned about Daryl is that he has a tremendous vision and also tremendous energy, passion, and enthusiasm relative to his solution. This all has helped him develop a solution that helps every individual and companies create, manage, and retrieve information more effectively and efficiently than ever before. By the way, Daryl did his product right. He went out and studied the marketplace. He worked with several clients and established their requirements. As a result, he then created OneView. He actually went to Microsoft and had to go through a very tough vetting process with Microsoft, but he won them over. Once he won them over, he spent 10 years integrating all the code of Microsoft into one application. That product is now OneView. Daryl, I would like to now introduce Daryl Bass. He's the president and owner of Bass International Software, and he is the creator, inventor, developer, and owner of OneView and its IP. Daryl?
Thank you. Thank you, Dennis. Well, I had to think about who he was talking about. My name is Daryl Bass, and I'm with Bass International Software. And the name of our product, obviously, is OneView. Now, OneView was born out of a customer's request to create a software system, believe it or not, to uniquely integrate all of their software applications into one single application. Now, this customer was buried each and every day with Microsoft Word files, Excel files, PowerPoint files, any of this sounds familiar? Email messages, PDF files, and if those weren't enough, there were also paper documents that each and every worker had to sift through on a daily basis just to get to the information that they needed. Now, to better understand the value of OneView, let's take a look at a similar opportunity from the past where it automated multiple functions into one single function. Henry Ford created the assembly line. Now, the assembly line maximized production output, it dramatically increased worker productivity and reduced the overall cost to produce automobiles. The assembly line didn't eliminate jobs like a lot of people feared. It actually produced a smarter, more effective workforce. Now, after 15 years of research and development with the Microsoft Corporation, we quickly realized that businesses everywhere were experiencing the exact same problem like the customer I talked about a moment ago, and that was searching for information in multiple and different applications to find the information they need, as well as other computing challenges. What's the solution? Of course, OneView. Now, how do people operate and manage information today? Today, users open multiple applications like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, so on and so forth, all at the same time trying to find the information that they're looking for, just to gather the information that they need to get the job done today. Now, according to the IDC, users spend on average 2.5 hours a day searching for information at a cost of $1,800 per user per month lost salary time and productivity. Now with OneView, users only open one application. OneView actually extracts the code from all the other existing applications and it brings them into one application. So now you're only running just one application. Requires minimal resources. Now, today users have to remember the name and location of every file that they ever created. How crazy is that? How many times have you ever thought about a file that I created from last year, but I need it right now? I don't remember exactly the name. Okay, that's what we're talking about. With OneView, information is organized by subject, completely different, so that a single search brings everything you need: documents, presentations, media files, email messages, spreadsheets, everything in 3 seconds or less. It doesn't take you a half hour or a half a day or 2 days to find all of the related information that you're looking for. Today, users have difficulty collaborating and sharing information across different departments. But with OneView, users can send any size file. Multiple users can work on the same document in real time. They can collaborate in real time. And any user can host a collaboration session without an external webinar service. Every business experiences network failures and downtime. Integrated with the Microsoft Cloud, OneView can run on almost any device and requires minimal bandwidth and provides global access. Everyone's concerned about cybercrime. OneView resides in the Microsoft Cloud, which is one of the most secure environments in the world. We definitely have the credentials to prove that. Our market opportunity, the collaboration market. Last year reported in 2015 to be at $40 billion. It's a lot of money. Information management and document management is reported to be at $24.6 billion at the end of 2015 and expected to grow by 2020 by almost 9%. Cloud computing, $18.9 billion reported in the year 2015. The information translation business is at $2.5 billion reported in 2015. Cybersecurity is at $106.3 billion. Why am I saying all these numbers? No, I don't have that much money yet. Today, each of these markets exists separately, but because of OneView's entry into the market, it has the power to capture all of these markets and services into a single value in excess of $192 billion. Our target market, every business, government agency, profit and nonprofit organization that wants to innovate, have smart and fast, cost-effective way to manage their information. Our team, the big mouth on stage, Daryl Bass, Carolyn Bass, Tom Gant, Tony Brown, Roy Mitchell, and Jason Elvers. Our HCDC team, Dennis Reinersman, Carla Boldery, and Pat Longo. Regional Cincinnati Chamber team, Mr. Rodney Swoop. Our Microsoft team, our Microsoft Cloud Engagement Executive, Partner Practice Recruiter, the Engagement Sales team, our Lead Generation team, and our Worldwide Technical Support. Our training is done by New Horizons, John Shepard, Adam Griffith, and Melissa Harris. What we're asking for today is access to leadership who can influence and drive both parallel and horizontal markets through the adoption of OneView. Thank you very much.